Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today I am going to discuss about the multiple choice questions of chapter 3rd Human Reproductions, and all the lectures related to this chapter is already covered. So must watch all these lectures and then it's easy to solve the multiple choice questions. So let's start. Identify the developmental stage zone as well as the related right place of its occurrence in a normal pregnant woman and select the right option for the two together. There is a development stage and there is a site of occurrence. So answer is the C, blastocyst uterine wall. C is the correct answer. Second, the Second, the secretory phase of the human menstruation cycle is also called as C. Luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days. C is the correct answer for this question. Which one of the following statement is false in respect of the viability of mammalian sperm? A. Sperm is viable for only up to 24 hours. This is the incorrect or false statement. The leading cell found in the human body are secretory source of B. Leading cells is the secretory source of androgens. In a normal pregnant woman, the amount of total gonadotropin activity was assessed. The result expected is D. High level of circulating SCG to stimulate estrogen and progesterone synthesis. D is the correct answer for this question. Signal for parturitions originate from both placenta and fully developed tissue. A is the correct answer. About which day in normal human menstruation cycle does not rapid secretion of LH occurs? LH search. This is the 14th days at mid cycle. 14th day is the mid cycle of the menstruation cycle. Midday of the menstruation cycle. What happens during fertilizations in humans after many sperms reaches close to the ovum? Only two sperms nearest to ova penetrate zona pellucida. D is the correct answer. Only two sperms nearest to ova penetrate zona pellucida. The testes in human are located outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum, and the purpose served is maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. A is the correct answer for this. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from A. Testes to epididymis. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs C. Only after the ovum has penetrated by sperm. C is the correct answer. Which one of the following are about human sperm is correct? Human sperm is correct. The sperm lysine in acrosomes dissolve the egg envelope facilitating fertilization. B is the correct for this. Sertoli cells are found in D. Seminiferous tubules and provide nutrients to the germ cells. Seminal plasma in human males is rich in B. Fructose and calcium. The first moments of the fetus, an appearance of hair on its head, are usually observed during which month of pregnancy? C is the correct answer. During the 5th month of pregnancy, there is a first moments of fetus, appearance of first moment of fetus. Vas differentia are the ductless and leading to retitestis to epididymis. C is the correct answer. In human female, the blastocyst gets implanted in endometrium by trophoblast cell. D is the correct answer for this. The secretion of which one of the following are rich in fructose, calcium, and some enzymes? Uterus, liver, male accessories gland, and salivary gland. C is the correct answer. Male accessory gland is the correct answer. Positive feedback loop signals from fully developed fetus and placenta ultimately lead to parturitions, and which requires the release of D. Oxytocin from maternal pituitary. Which of the following statement about morula in human is correct? B. It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote but much more DNA. B is the correct answer for this. The part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary is C. Infundibulum. Which one of the following is correct? Matching of the events occurring during menstruation cycle. Development of corpus luteum, secretory phase, and increased secretion of progesterone. D is the correct answer for this. A change in the amount of yolk and its distribution in egg will affect the pattern of cleavage. C is the correct answer. Which one of the following is most likely root cause why menstruation is not taking place in human females with regular cycles? Maintenance of hypertrophied endometrial linings. B is the correct answer for this question. The correct sequence of spermatogenic stages leading to the formation of sperms in mature human testes is B. Spermatogonia, spermatocyte, and spermatid sperms. This is the correct sequence. Fetal ejections reflex in human female is induced by fully developed fetus and placenta. Seminal plasma of human is rich in C. Glucose. Seminal plasma of human is rich in fructose, calcium, and certain enzyme. Which one of the following statement is correct about menstruation? The beginning of cycle or menstruation is called menarche. No, this is the incorrect because the menarche is called the end of the menstruation cycle. Which extraembryonic membranes prevents dissociations of the embryo inside the uterus? This is the amnion. Amnion is the correct answer for this. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, male germ cell differentiate into B. Secondary spermatocytes. In a human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of combination of estrogen and progesterone. D is the correct answer for this. Which part of the ovary in mammals act as an endocrine gland after ovulation? Corpus luteum, because it secretes progesterone. Corpus luteum secretes progesterone. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone called FSH. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Bartholin's glands are situated D. On the wall of vagina in humans. During embryonic development, the stabilization of polarity along anterior and posterior, dorsal, ventral, or media lateral axis is called C. Organizer phenomena. C is the correct answer. In humans, cleavage divisions are B. Fast and synchronous. Primary spermatocytes differ from spermatogonia in size and volume. A. Corpus luteum release progesterone. The number of autosomes in human primary spermatocyte is D. 22. Which of the following organs is devoid of glands? C. Vagina is called the devoid of glands. Which one of the following provide nutrients to a sperms? Sertoli cells provide nutrients to a sperm. Withdrawal of which of the hormones is the immediate cause of menstruation? Progesterone. C is the correct answer, progesterone. Grey crescent is the area just opposite to the site of entry of sperm into ovum. B is the correct answer. If the mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, which one of the following is unlikely? Primary follicles start developing. This is the unlikely. In oogamy, fertilization involves B. A small non-motile female gamete and small motile male gamete. Ovulation in human female during menstruation cycle normally occurs at the end of the proliferating phase. C is correct answer. Fertilization of ovum by the sperms occurs in isthmus of oviduct. Capacitations of sperms occurs in female genital tract. The Wolffian duct give rise to a epididymis. D. Which of the following is not correct for gastrulations? D. Some blastomeres and blastocells degenerate. This is the incorrect for gastrulation. Maturation of sperm before penetration of ovum is called capacitation. There is a capacitation. Capacitations. Wolffian ducts form A. Epididymis. Onset of menstruations occur due to A. Decrease in the level of progesterone. Leading cells are concerned with interstitiums of testes. Which of the following hormones secreted by implanted blast which acts on the corpus luteum in the ovary and stimulating the body to produce estrogen, progesterone to maintain the uterine lining? So B, human chorionic gonadotropin is the right answer for this. Both corpus luteum and macula lutea are C, characterized by yellow color. Both are characterized by yellow color. Which of the following correctly match with the time period in normal menstruation cycle? B is endometrium regenerate 5 to 10 days. A cross section at the midpoint of middle piece of human sperm will show C. Mitochondria and 9+2 arrangement of microtubules. The phase of menstruation cycle that lasts for about 7 to 8 days is menstruation. Corpus luteum produce. C is correct answer, progesterone. Assertion: a holoblastic cleavage with equal aired blastomeres is characterized of placental mammals. The reason for this: eggs of most mammals, including humans, are centrolethal. C. A is true and R is false. This is the correct answer. Which one of the following statement with regard to embryonic development in human being is correct? B. In the second cleavage division, one of the two blastomeres usually divides a little sooner than second. B is the correct answer. Early stage human embryo distinctly possesses B. This B. Gill slits. Gill slits is correct answer. Formation and maturation of sperms is known as spermatogenesis. Menstruation is sudden due to reduction in progesterone and estrogen. How many sperm cells are present in an average 3 ml ejaculate? A. 200 million. Labia majora of female mammal is homologous to C. Scrotal sac. Sugar fructose is present in the secretion of B. Seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle is correct answer for this. The embryo at 16-celled stage called as A. Morula. The extra structure that provides nutrition to the embryo is D. Placenta is the extra structure which provides nutrients to the embryo. Which among the following cells are immortal? C. Germ cells. Which of the following is not a secretory product of human placenta? B. Prolactin is not the secretory part of human placenta. The number of chromosomes in mature gametes gets halved during C. Formation of secondary oocytes and secondary spermatocytes. What is true for cleavage? Size of cells decrease, but number of cells increase and size of cell decrease. Which part of ovary in mammals act as an endocrine gland after ovulations? C. Corpus luteum. Ovum receives the sperm in the region of A. Animal pole. In rabbit, head of epididymis present at the head of testes is called C. Caput epididymis. Acrosome present at the tip of sperm is the modified Golgi body. Maturation of sperms before penetration of egg is called capacitation. Blastopore is formed in A. Blastula and is the opening of Archenteron. Mammalian placenta is formed from A. Chorionic allantois. The best definition of the process of gastrulation is that it is a process where the cells move to occupy their definite position. D is the correct answer. Fertilization of ovum in rabbit, man and other placental mammal takes place in the B. Fallopian tube. Gestation period in human beings is 270 days. The lytic enzymes released by the sperm is B. Hyaluronidase. This lytic enzyme released from. Which one of the following inhibits the maturation of Graafian follicles and ovulation is which of the following inhibits the maturation of Graafian follicle and ovulation is progesterone. Archenteron is formed in gastrula. Cumulus operus is a mass of epithelial cells in Graafian follicles. Which part of the sperms play an important role in the penetration of ovum is acrosome. Repair of the endometrium is carried out under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone. A Graafian follicle secretes hormones C. Estrogen. How many sperms are produced from 4 primary spermatocytes? 16. Morula is enclosed by zona pellucida. Primary germs layers are formed during C. Gastrulation. The hormone responsible for ovulation and formation of corpus luteum is luteinizing hormone. B is the correct answer for this. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all new updates. And if you like this video, please share it with all friends. And in next video, I'm going to discuss more multiple choice questions related to chapter 3rd human reproductions. So please watch all these videos, related to the human reproductions, and then easy to solve all this MCQ. Thank you so much.